In this video, we will be going over the theory behind the math examples. Let's begin now on MathCat. 3, 2, 1. Solving one-step equations can also involve multiplication and division. We can have 5 times y equals 35, and we want to solve this equation for y. Well, multiplication is undone by division, and division is undone by multiplication. In this case, we're looking at 5 multiplied by y equals 35. In order to get y by itself on this side of the equation, we have to undo the multiplication, and multiplication is undone by division, and multiplication is undone by division. So in order to undo multiplying 5 times y, we're going to divide by 5. And to keep the equation true, if we divide this side of the equation by 5, we have to divide this side of the equation by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, so we could write 1 times y equals, and on this side of the equation we have 35 divided by 5, which is 7. But 1 times any number or 1 times any variable doesn't change the value of the variable. So we could just write this y equals 7, and we've solved the equation for y. If we put 7 in for y, 5 times 7 is 35, and that was our original equation. So y equals 7 makes the equation true, and it solves the equation for y. Let's look at dividing x by 8 equals 3 and solve for x. Here we have division, and division is undone by multiplication. So to get x by itself on this side of the equation, since we're dividing x by 8, we're going to have to multiply x over 8 times 8. And to keep the equation true, if we multiply this side of the equation by 8, we have to multiply this side of the equation by 8. Here, 8 divided by 8 is 1, so we could write 1x. And here, 3 times 8 is 24. We could write 1x equals 24. But multiplying 1 times any number does not change the value of that number or that variable. So we'll just write x equals 24. And that solves the equation for x. Because if we put 24 back into our original equation, 24 divided by 8 equals 3. And 3 equals 3. So x equals 24 makes this equation true for x.